Welcome back to our channel, and for today's video, me and my sister were going to hike the Pocahontas Trail to experience the 3.4-kilometer out and back trail near Jasper, Alberta. Generally considered an easy route, it takes an average of 56 minutes to complete. This is a popular trail for birding, hiking, and running, but you can still enjoy some solitude during quieter times of day. The best times to visit this trail are July through August. Let's go! Pupunta kami ng Pocahontas Trail. Yan, paakyat. Yan si ate. Ready na siya mag-hiking. Upper Loop. No, not that one. The other one over there. Yes. Kaya, akyat kami doon sa taas. Sige, akyat! Sige, akyat! Tingnan mo yung view, ah. Hala ka sa tibok ng dibdib ko. Whew! Doon kami galing sa baba. Tingnan nyo guys yung view. O, diba? Tara! Tapos may view pa doon mamaya. Mamaya pakikita nyo. Yun. Si ate busy pag picture. Tapos eto, may picnic. Doon pababa. Doon, ito yung pababa. Tapos eto naman, papunta sa may campground siguro ito ng Mayet. Punta doon. Doon. Let's go again after a few minutes break. Kasi ang taas na nga naman yung inakyat namin. Daming wildflowers. Tapos ang dami ring pagkain ng bear. Hopefully hindi kami magiging lunch ng bear. Yay! Nakarating din si ate. Good job! Yeah, yan nga. Good job. Nakarating din siya. Hello, hello. Hello world. Ayan, nakarating si ate sa ibabaw ng bundok ng Tralala. O, diba? O, ang ganda. Yan ang view. Yun ang Pocahontas Mountain. O, diba nakarating si ate? Good job ate. You did it. O, diba? Yay! Nasa cliff na si ate. Takang umulin ani bangir. Ay, may ibon. Sabi niya. Eh.
Tapos lumabas daw. Nakita niya yung crow.
Crow, oo.
Iba yung crow is
Iba yung tunog. Ang ganda na ng araw. Patirik na yung araw. Yan, ang daming pagkain ng bear. Oh, yan ang mga... And we're here! We're down here! Joy! Pabalik na kami sa parkingan. And we're back to the parking lot.